Hi guys, if your computer is lagging and you want to get back to the original state when installing a Win and you don't want to reinstall a Win, then today we're going to show you how to restart your computer back to a new state without having to install a Win. First, you click on the Windows icon, select Settings, and here you drag down for Recovery. Then click on Recovery. In the Recovery option, there are two items related to this PC, Advanced Startup. If you select Reset this PC, the reset of this PC will appear. In this window, there are two. Option is to keep my files, which will delete all apps and settings but retain the data and the files, and removing everything will delete all the apps, data settings, and files on the computer. Yours. If you want your computer to be as new as when you bought it, choose to recycle everything. Want to retain the data? If you have an account, you can choose to keep my files. Cloud storage, select cloud download, or select local reinstall. Additional settings window appears. The current settings are to restore the app and the settings that came with the computer and reset the Windows of the device. To change, you choose change settings. You want to restore. If you want yes, you don't want to. Select no. I installed the new one, so I will select no, then confirm. Then choose next to continue, and the machine will check to ready. The screen will show that the settings of Windows will return to the default, retaining the files on your computer. Reset the settings and remove the installed apps and programs. To see the uninstalled apps, click on View Apps that are removed, then the apps will appear, and you can click back to go back. If you're sure you want to reset, choose Reset. The machine will be preparing to reset. You wait for the setup and reinstall. In this process, you have to keep the computer powered because if you turn it off, it will cause an error and take more than 30 minutes. So we'll be quick. After setting up and reinstalling your computer, it is back to the same setup as when you first installed Windows. When the installation is done, you should go to the update section to update the driver as well as the necessary updates for Windows. You should click the mouse on the Windows icon, select the setting, then select the Windows Update item. Here, you click the mouse on the item. Download now. You're waiting for the update. So I've taught you how to reset your computer to its original state without reinstalling Windows. If you see or like it, share it, and subscribe to the channel to see more videos.